Hey there guys, what we're going to be talking about today is the Crayola Subtraction flashcards. Yeah, so it's back to school time. Crayola has these flashcards me and my son have been working on for like a couple months now, and it's just to give him a little head start on, learning mathematics and testing his skills on subtraction. Crayola had a good idea using these flashcards. I mean, actually making them for the consumer. I've, been an advocate of getting a head start with flashcards or any kind of head start where your kids can learn things before they actually learn it at school. Spending time doing things like this with your kids is very important. It's good to have things that like utilities out there that you can actually buy to actually do this that are attractive and fun for children. And this does that. It teaches kids how to subtract. There's 36 cards in here. There's the numbers are the problems that they have to figure out are on the front and on the back. And it's a really good deal. It really is. It really makes this really fun. And what it is, see, now you have the problem here, 12 minus 4. And the answer for this is right there on the back in the corner. See that? 12 minus 4. And that's how it works. Yeah. So you'll use these flashcards with your child and see how they do. It just like a practice thing. Hopefully they will, start to learn better and, take to subtraction. When I was a kid, it was really kind of a hard deal for me. I just did not like math at all, but I didn't have these kind of resources either. I mean, if I was able to, when I was a kid, any kind of flashcards like this, I think I probably would have learned a lot better, a lot easier. Crayola has done a good job by making these, and it's fun for the children, looking at the numbers and trying to figure them out with good patient parent. A very good deal, and it works out well for me with my kids. So as my youngest gets older, I will also use this on him, and seems to teach them very well. And any kind of head start, anything you can do. I mean, I'm glad that we have these kind of resources and that Crayola has several different packets that you can use, especially the subtraction, and there's an addition and, the times tables and stuff like that. This one is especially good because my son is attracted to it. He thinks this is, it's fun. Seeing the packaging with the frog and everything on it. I just think it's good, and it gives him, like I said, that head start, and it makes them, want to study and want to learn. It's really helpful. Anytime you can use anything that's entertaining or attractive, like colors or funny things or whatever you can to get them to be attracted to whatever they're doing or to learning, I'm just all for it, and everybody should be on board with that. It's just a really much easier way for kids to learn. It makes it so that makes learning so much easier. I mean, it really does. I mean, it's always been that way. And as the years go by, like the generations get older and older, they come up with newer and better ways to teach children. to make it easier and easier. The resources that are out there are, you know, just get better and better. So I think that the more they make things like this, the better. My kids love them. Crayola has done a good job with this. And like I said, there's 36 flashcards in here. And you don't have to get through all of them. I mean, a lot of times your kids may struggle with some of the numbers, and it is what it is. But, you know, I'm sure your kid will love it. And my kid just adores it. Yeah, but he also just loves learning. Yeah. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information. That is the Crayola Subtraction flashcards. All right. I'll talk to you guys again soon. Okay, bye-bye.